Hi everybody, I just want to make a quick video on how to change your settings or find things on your Discord. I have a few members that are beginners to Discord. It's pretty straightforward. So I click on the Discord app, it's the one right here on your phone one. Right now I have the thetatraderz channel. On the left here that I'm moving up and down are different channels that you could join. If you're brand new to Discord, you should see the thetatraderz as being this only one right here. Okay. Now also, if you click on this little button here, you'll be able to see messages that might have come from me or from other members. So me and Russell obviously talk a lot. Russell's one of my direct messages. If I clicked on his name, we could just chat me and him. Okay. You go to thetatraderz, you'll see the different text channels. So mostly we're on the general channel. So we'll be writing down different information. And then the option trades channel, typically around 12:30, 1 o'clock Central Standard Time, will have the trades for each day. The ebook strategy guide right down here on the very bottom. This gives you some of the acronyms we mentioned a bit, where I say PCS, CSP, and whatnot. And then the main file right here, March 21st, is the all strategy guides. I'm going to open up that file because it'll have all the papers that I wrote for how to implement all the strategies that we talk about. Now, when you go to an individual channel, let's say you didn't want to get bothered by hearing a bunch about member trades, for instance, you could click on the channel and then click on this little person icon up here. And then if you go to notifications, you'll be able to mute the channel. So if you don't want to get bothered too much with different messages all the time, feel free to click that. You could turn it off for an hour, 8 hours until you want to turn it back on, just so you don't get flooded with individual messages. I am in a few other Discords where they talk a lot and can't just be getting messages all the time, right? Now if you go to the main settings on Discord, down here on the bottom right where your icon is, you can do the app setting notifications. And then make sure the system notifications are outside of Discord. So whenever you do get a message that you didn't turn off, you should be able to see them come up just like a text message. Okay? So if you have any questions about this, send me an email or send me a DM and see if we can figure out how to do it on Discord. Happy trading!